Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get daily supply from a free daily supply on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legend account, and after you log in you can go to shop over here, and over here you can choose the feature menu on the top of the left, and then you can click feature, and then over here you can click or see and click daily supply, and this is have a limit, only once a day you can claim the daily supply, and then for claim you can simply click the button and then click free, and then you can already get the daily supply. And the daily supply is like this. You can get the spawn effect like this, light and dark, and this is not permanent, and you can use it only for one day. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. You haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.